What's good, guys? How is y'all doing today? Welcome to a new week, man. Bless for tuning in today. So rain is falling outside. I hope it is not going to disturb my audio. But apart from that, this NAS buys. This NAS buys right here. This is the risk, about almost $250. After the bullish engulfing, I took the trade. As you can see here. So guys, I've stopped recording my screen because this trade looks like the one that is going to take a lot of time. Why? Because I took this trade at exactly 4:55. By 5 o'clock, I'm normally out of the chart, you understand? But 4:55, I saw the setup and I took it. You get it? So, but since it's around 5 o'clock, the volume in New York has kind of gone down a little bit. So I just know it's going to take a lot of time. So I've stopped recording. I'm going to update you guys on how the trade plays out. If I see any reason to record again, if I see it moving in my direction aggressively, I'll just turn on the recording tool and record. So I'll catch you guys. So guys, as you can see, this price has hit 1:1, 1:1.5, sorry. So I am not just going to break even here. Okay, it has not reached 1:1.5 here, but it has reached 1:1.5 there. And this is something I even want to mention here. The chart here on TradingView, the chart on my fundednext, and the chart on funding pips are totally different. They are slightly a little bit different. But the one here in TradingView is kind of in favor of the trade right now. You understand? Like in favor of the trade, because when this price, this particular candle was here. On fundednext it was down here, and on funding pips it was even a little bit down again. You get? So I'm going to break even based on the fact that this is the one I used to analyze and take a trade. So that's the main reason why I'm going to break even. So yeah, I'll listen to the sound of the police at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Like, sounds like this. Last week was supposed to be a profitable week of half hour. And if I was patient enough on Friday, I would have catch a very, very good buy instead of the buy I took on US card. I would have waited for another level, another demand to be tapped, and but I was not patient enough. That would have been a clean trade. In 15-20 minutes the trade was done. But anyways, the sound of the police right now, and I'll also go and break even on the pips. Let's get this sound. We need this sound, you understand? But this thing you not do sound, no. Hey, you not do sound, no. That's crazy now. Why now? What I can vex now, close this trade, or just withdraw the profit and dash somebody now, because bro. I'll find out why I did not do the sound. I'll find out later. But right now, let's keep waiting for this trade. This is the take profit here. This is the take profit here. You see how the take profit is a little bit far from here? If I come now here, slightly a little bit, it's not the same. It's not the same. I'll tell you for it. It's not the same. But yeah, this is a 1 hour demand I'm looking at here to trade with. I'm looking at closing the trade from a 1 hour supply, sorry, not demand. So let's see, I'm holding. But this is the thing with this type of setups. Now, when I trade, I don't just go from 1:2. I look for target. Look at good place to put my target. If not, I would not take this trade. So at first, I wanted my target to be exactly here, because chances are it can reject from here and come down for break even. I wanted my target to be here exactly. But I now find out that there is a supply here, and here is not going to be good because I'm risking 30 points going for 60 points. Here is not going to be good enough. Like enough for my TP. So I said, okay, since there's a supply here in 1 hour, let's see if price is going to tap this supply. Around this supply, I'm closing regardless of whether it wants to hit the targets, the full TP or not. As far as my profit is up to $500, 510, 505, I'm closing. Look at the time we're trading with. I don't know why time is not showing. It's like 5 o'clock now. 5 something, if not 6 o'clock. Let's keep holding, guys. Let's keep holding. Before you buy any prop firm, do yourself this favor. Use the link in the description of this video and go straight to this platform called Prop Firm Match. In this platform, you're going to check if the firm you want to buy, is it listed on Prop Firm Match. If it is not listed, I'm going to give you a good advice. Do not buy that firm. Why? Because if the firm is listed on Profit Match, you're going to be able to see things like review, trading conditions, the payout. You're going to be guaranteed of a payment from this Profit if you get to the level of payment. You're going to see things like spread, trading condition. You're also going to see reviews that traders have left for this Profit. Because trust me, this Profit game is really a hard one. If you are going to trade a Profit, at least you should trade a Profit that is going to guarantee you of payment and is going to make it a little bit easy for you with things like trading condition, good spread, and the rest of those good stuff. Without these things, please stay away from those Profits. So use the link in the description of this video and check out Profit Match. Buy your account through Profit Match and thank me later. It will be one of the best things you will do if you want to get a Profit. Let's continue the video. What is good, guys? How is y'all doing today? So look at the same time again. Look at the time, about 4:54 at the moment as I'm speaking to you. I'm in this trade right now. I just saw this entry right now. I almost missed this entry. Just came back to gold and I saw the entry. So I'm in the trade right now. Let me go ahead and update my free Telegram. I bought that's on cap locks. I bought gold. Send. Exactly. That's what's up. It is almost at 1:1 at the moment. At 1:1, you know the tradition. You all know how I do it. 1:1, I reduce my risks. So let's see how it goes. Stop loss is placed. Stop loss and take profit is placed perfectly, in my honest opinion. My system, everything is perfect. Yesterday that trade hit me for break even out, just like I told you people. Let's go back to that trade for a minute so I can show you people like what I explained and how it just happened to the T somehow. I was looking at the buy from here, but it didn't come back to give me a bullish engulfing from here. I was also looking at the buy from here, from this very level, but it didn't. The bullish engulfing it gave me, look at it, was too big. I just avoided the trade. Maybe if I had entered from here, but no, it was still invalid. But this one, if it just gave me a bullish engulfing from here, there's bullish engulfing, I joined the trade. But yeah, let's go to yesterday. This is nice. Yesterday, so as you can see, I entered from here, went for about 1:1.5. Let's measure it here and see. 1:1.5, about 45 pips. 45 points is 1:1.5. The target is about 60 points. So he gave me 1:1.5, came back and hit my break even. I told you people, if price gets to this level here in particular, it might reverse, and it did just that. It got there and kind of reversed. So let's see how this trade is going to be. I'm definitely going to update you guys. What's good, guys? How is you doing today? So today is Wednesday night. I'm gonna get 4 before the filling station close. So yeah, drip check. You get me? Let me keep my camera and do some quick drip check before this vehicle come. Type shit, man. You feel me? Just normal slide. So I didn't take a trade today. Sorry. It's about 8 o'clock. I didn't take a trade today because I did not see it. In fact, I missed 2 setup because I just couldn't convince myself to take the trade. You understand? You know when you take a loss and you're trying to win your next trade. So that's what's up. But yeah, look at this space, guys. Like, see, this space is among the top 3 reasons why I stay around here. This empty space, just to come and chill, relax some more. We dey use bro. Me myself, I dey use So yeah, I'm gonna get full. I just thought about vlogging. You know, sometimes you just come out and stroll and see, it hits different. It really does hit different. Strolling is it's a different, I don't know what to call it. It's on its own. You just getting vibe. It's just good. It's good. But yeah, let me get full. What's good, guys? It's about 12 o'clock sharp. In fact, right now, 12 sharp. Let me show you. 12 o'clock sharp at the moment. Just like I said, I didn't take any trade, but right now I want to backtest. I just finished taking my back. Now backtest till like maybe 1 o'clock. I'll just try to take like 10 trade, test it in or 2. I'm actively trying to improve my trading, improve my strategy. Like, I came to a decision. I came to a decision to make sure my win rate increased to like 70%. I didn't put a time limit on it, you understand? Putting a time limit is something like you're doing a challenge or it's childish, bro. The real goal is to improve for yourself, you understand, that kind of thing. So I just want to better the strategy, better the trading, because it's possible to have a 70% winning strategy, you understand? Y'all know what I stand for. I would always tell you to tomorrow, regardless of what your strategy is now, you can make money with it. At the same time, modify and keep going. Laziness is the thing that have made me not to modify. I wouldn't use the word laziness. See, I make videos every day. Apart from videos, I do a lot of things. You get every day. You people wake up in the morning. Me, I wake up in like 11 o'clock. From there, I have to start training by 12 at the same time, combining making videos and trading. So it's kind of like it's not balanced. I have tried to wake up in the morning. Like right now, this 12 o'clock, I'll sleep around 3, 4, or 5. I have tried to be waking up in the morning, bro. It's not just possible. I started sleeping late to learn how to trade. But right now, I'm trying to stop sleeping late. I can't. But I'll do it. I'll do it at some point. And when I do it, trust me, everything is really going to be balanced. So I just want to better my trading, backtest. Okay, like what I was saying, it's not really laziness. It's just the fact that there's a lot of things in my hand. Again, it's a different times in life right now. In future, it's going to be different. I'll put it like that. Right now, I'm trying to better my trading, better my strategy, better my edge, get a better edge, get a better strategy, try to win more. You understand? Just try to change my game in general. Try to be more profitable, that kind of thing. Because now I've successfully become a profitable trader. The next goal is to try to be more profitable. You get, there's something like that. It's actually a thing, and it's also very possible for me to have a 70% win rate. Very, very possible. So I'm working at that. But the difference with now and then, because that time too, it was a battle. It was something we were trying to do until I paused and I'm like, I should focus on something else. You understand? Try to focus on the emotion. Why can't I control myself? And the difference between now and then is that time I was trying to have a higher win rate with a shaky mentality or a shaky psychology. So the difference now is that now I have a good psychology. I really do have a good psychology, honestly. I took like 18 losses, 1 win in between. And bro, I stood strong. My accounts have not blown till now. I'm a legend, bro. But yeah, that's the goal, that's my plan, and I'm doing it. That's why I say trading is very interesting. I don't know how people go about and start crying or getting depressed about trading. For me, yes, I feel the pain too, but it's kind of, for me, it's like the joy of life. You get, it's the essence of life. Imagine a life with no pain, everything just smooth, normal. That's a life without purpose, something like that. So that pain, that jungle, that up and down in trading, that highs you go, that low you come. You understand? They're trying to figure something out. They're hoping without any hope of this thing is going to work, and also they're achieving. Is the goal, bro. It's not like the goal, but it's part of the game. It is the process. So right now, I'm just going to backtest. You understand? Maybe I'll show you an update when I finish backtesting or so, or maybe not. But of course, I'll update you. So these are like the trades I missed. First of all, it is on NAS 5 minutes time frame. So if you look here, this trade I didn't take it because the stop loss. You understand? I couldn't put my stop loss down. This is like 40 points. Put my stop loss down will mean me risking like 70 points. And I don't look at the target. I would have loved to target here. It's high here. If I put it there, it would have been like a 1:1 trade. You understand? There was no need. There was no need taking that trade. It would have ended up in the loss. You understand? So, but imagine what I really wanted. I brought this thing down here and I was like, if price can reject, like come down here before pushing up, then I'll be able to get like a 40-point stop loss. Then I'm gonna go from there. But it didn't come back, it just kept going up. The next one is US30. US30 was the cleanest. You understand? US30 was actually the cleanest. But I missed it. I didn't just take it because I convinced myself not to, that it was not going to work. So look at it, after the breakout of London, came back. One day I'll explain to people what this level is. One day I will. So it came back, tapped me, and went up, gave me a bullish engulfing, and this time it rejected. 50-point stop loss for 100 points. This one, if I wanted to go for even 200 points would have still been a hit. You get? So, but I didn't take it. But nothing to fight about, nothing to really cry about. Keep going, you understand? And please like and subscribe. Help me grow this journey. If you have not done that yet, please do like and subscribe. Help me grow this journey. It is a very, very nice journey I'm building here. I think it's something that's going to help a lot of traders. Not even right now. Let's think about like in 10 years in the future. 10 years in the future. Let's think just 10 years in the future. YouTube is still around. A trader just came into the space and is trying to maneuver his way around trading, trying to get profitable. Imagine the trader comes to my channel. That time, definitely, I will be a billionaire in dollar. I will be a billionaire in dollar, but somehow crash to my channel or find my channel and go down and see that I was documenting this journey from the start. That's why I urge all of you to do the same. Even if, document your journey some way or the other. It's very important. But the trader goes down, find my videos, and right now, and I get feedbacks like, bro, your videos are helping me grow as a trader. I get this type of feedback crazily. You understand? I don't even like from the start. I'm not sure this type of feedback was one of the things I put into consideration or reasons why I started the channel or kept going with the channel. But right now I get it a lot, and it really makes sense. Traders telling me, bro, these videos are real. They feel like real trading. This is what I'm experiencing too. You understand? It just gives me energy. It's the understanding, giving me hope. Because see, believe it or not, there was a time in trading I felt like I'm not sure anybody's making money in this thing. The only people that gave me hope were books like Market Wizard, because there were traders there telling their story. Mark Douglas, you understand? When I see the stuff, I'm like, if there were not people making money in this thing, these people are not going to write books about it. I don't know if you understand. It is not these online people who, hey, this one we do online, yeah, bro. No, with this one. This one no join. They didn't join. No, because online you come and you see wins. Wins. But when you trade, it's almost like loss. So there's how online looks like it's perfect. People post wins clean, like cashing hilarious trades. But when they take losses, they don't post it. So it's almost like it's perfect here. When you come and watch them, follow, watch, it's almost like, are you sure these people take losses too? So when you go and be taking losses, like something is wrong with your trading, you want to work on it, you want to kill yourself about it, you get depressed about it. That's why I show my real trading, because this is something I did not see myself. So all this story just for you people to subscribe, and you still never subscribe. Wow, subscribe. What's good, guys? Right now it's 1 a.m. Saturday morning. Let me show you something on the chart. So first of all, look at the time. Look at what the time is saying. Then it is US 30, 5 minutes time frame. Look at it. This level was a level I was looking to trade from. This was very good demand I saw, but it didn't give me bullish engulfing the way I would have loved it. Look at the bullish engulfing it gave me. Yes, maybe if I put my stop loss around it, I would have still caught the trade. But if I take these trades, I like to put it below level. It did not just arrange well. So this one was a miss. But if I use limit order, I would have caught this win. But of course, I don't use limit orders anymore. And if we go to NAS 5 minutes time frame too. You come here, you see something. So NAS came here and gave me a very good candle, tested the level very well. But the thing here is that there was no bullish engulfing here. And I just love bullish engulfing for entries now. There was no bullish engulfing, but it gave this candle. The next thing, he found itself to TP. This would have been a target. It was a very clean one, 1:2 ASAP. This is even more than 1:2. It's way less, something like 1:2.5. So this is one of the things with entry confirmation. Sometimes you don't see them, but it doesn't mean the price is not going to go to your direction. Now it was a little bit painful that I just watched this thing, because this level were levels I really like. I was sure about them somehow. I just watched it go to my take profit, didn't enter. You understand? It's a little bit hard. Again, I missed the trade the other day on Wednesday, still missed the trade today again. Is it on Wednesday, on Thursday? Still missed the trade on Friday again. It's just crazy, but it's what it is at the end of the day. So this is the P&L for the week. This week is still a losing week. It's still a losing week, and it's painful. I don't like it myself, but it's what it is. P&L for the week. So guess what? Next week we come back and do our thing again. Bless you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless.